What's going on, Saucyy 1K about Spanish? So today's video, we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna do a pocket options review. This was requested by one of my viewers that viewed my last video, right? When I did a tutorial and a review of 3 different brokers. Now we're gonna strictly on pocket options. So look, let's go straight to Google. Let us look up some reviews from actual people, right? Let's look at some reviews from actual people, right? Is pocket options safe? Says while binary options trading often gets a bad reputation because of the high risk involved, pocket option is one of the most reliable brokers in the industry, right? Okay, boom. So we got that question answered, right? How long does it take to withdraw from pocket option? Process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. In some cases, the withdrawals can be increased up to 14 business days, and you will be notified by the support desk. So that is one right there. So let's do pocket option real reviews. Real reviews, right? Real reviews. Let's go ahead and go into it, right? So that's kind of answer a couple of questions that people had about pocket options. Pocket options real reviews. Let's do this one, right? Let's see what some people are saying, right? Cool. 29% say excellent, some say bad, some say average, some say great. Okay, let's see what they're actually talking about. It took a huge amount away from me, and it took a huge amount away from me in the past, which got me so stranded and broke. But after I came across on YouTube about whyFRAundercoveryagents.org, so I'm assuming you can use this website where it says www.fraudrecoveryagents.org to be able to get y'all funds, man. So look, let me go ahead and copy and paste this. And I'm gonna put this under the video because a lot of y'all asked me how do you do it. I'm gonna tell you literally what you actually need to do to get your money from these brokers because some of y'all are real deal don't know what you're doing at all. Do not try to take all of your money out from these brokers. Pocket options is not regulated. That's one. If you want a regulated binary options broker to use for long term, Nadex, right? Pocket options is not something you want to do long term. It's easy, quick money, but you still want to switch back over to forex. But forex, you get your money guaranteed, no hassle, no nothing. You don't have to do any percentages. When you're trading on pocket options, you I would say you want to withdraw 10 to 20% either a day or 10 to 20% a week. If you're not making that much money weekly, then do 10 to 20% a day. Put into your withdraw it to your Bitcoin, right? Just do that every single day or every single week. It just depends. Now, if you're making like large amounts, tens of thousands of dollars, 20s of thousands of dollars every single week, you cannot withdraw all 20,000, bro. It's just not going to work. It is a unregulated broker. So what you have to do is build trust with them. You have to do it over time. This is not the best thing. It's trash, to be honest, because you want to be able to get your money. But you withdraw 10 to 20% of that 20,000, which is 2,000, right? Let's say if you made 5,000 every single day, you withdraw what's 10% of 5,000 is 500. Let's say if you withdraw 1,000 a day, right? Out of that 5,000 that you're making every single day, boom, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, right? For binary options is open 7 days a week. Most people trade at about five, right? Let's say you got you five to 7,000 a week out of that, right? Now you just made you an easy, let's say 5 to 7. By the end of the month is over, like easy $20,000 to $25,000, right? Just from trading binary options. That's if you're actually doing it. Says based on the law of republic, based on the law of Republic of Indonesia concerning amendments, each party is prohibited. Bro, I don't even know what this man's talking about. Implementation. Any party that is legally domiciled who has not clearly obtained. For people that do not know, bro, pocket options is not for anybody that's outside of the United States. That's one. So if you're outside of the United States, don't use pocket options. Use Nadex. If Nadex doesn't allow you to do it, you real do just have to read where Nadex is available. If it's available outside of the United States, outside of whatever countries they say that they're available, then cool, use that. I mean, you could use forex. There's not a lot of good things with forex when it comes to withdrawing your money. A lot of people have a lot of problems when it comes to that. So I don't highly recommend forex, right? So use Nadex. Nadex is the #1 broker. Pocket options is only for people in the United States. Hopefully, y'all paying attention, right? Blocked and Spike got banned in live chat with no reason till 16th. Laws 150. Frequent spikes on trades. Very slow trades. Acquisition slow. Price feeding. I would place 2 stars if customer support answered me within 1 day. Customer support responded within 5 to 7 days. You would check your situation, then another 5 to 7 days. So this gives you're a bad trader. Learn more how to trade. I'm an experienced trader with 50 plus years on trading. See, I don't know how he was trading. Uh, you kind of have to know when to trade inside of the market. Just a quick tip for y'all to know. Fridays, you should not trade binary. Why? Because you want to check forexfactory.com. You want to check news, when spikes are going to happen. A lot of times, like the entries that I get, I trade in the mornings. Just a quick tip for y'all. If you want to really make some money, trade when people are sleeping. When are people sleeping and when is the market moving? Between the hours of 2 a.m. Eastern. Matter of fact, let me not even going to do all that. Between London session to New York session, right? The opening of London session to the closing of New York session, that's when you should be trading. If you don't know when that is, look it up, or I can make a video on that. So far, my experience is bad. I deposited. So far, my experience is bad. I deposited $97 on pocket options. Still waiting for it to be deposited. I guess it shows that I made a deposit, but on a deposit it says expire. I have no idea what that means. They obviously have my money because it shows in the deposit section that I started with this small amount because I don't trust like this people making. I don't even know what's going on, bro. Listen, when you deposit, you literally deposit through Bitcoin. Don't deposit no other way. Don't use no other coins. Use Bitcoin. If you're in the US, use your Cash App. Scan a QR code to Bitcoin. Don't try to copy and paste the Bitcoin address, because if you send it to the wrong address, which I'm assuming is what he did, which he says that it's going there, I don't know. Just scan the QR code. I always do that. That's the easiest way. That's how I know my Bitcoin is going to go through. I literally just deposited a couple $100 on that account. All right. So far, they have the right to cancel. They have the right to cancel and delist cryptocurrencies without letting you know. They just delist whatever they want and keep your money forever. You cannot exchange it or withdraw it after. Do not use it. They stole my money. Vargas on Telegram. Let me get it back. Have no idea what it is, bro. So a lot of these people are inexperienced. Horrible customer service. They're currently holding deposits and withdrawals, and all they have for us to reply is on template questions that don't solve anything or prove any clarity. Scam, don't do it. You will regret it. Scam, don't do it. You regret it. Many of us have used demo, get all your signals together. As soon as you put your money down, it immediately goes opposite direction or vice versa. Be aware, try it. Try it. You won't believe your eyes. Scam artists. Gave a chance, but I would not recommend it. But a big no. Scam, stay away. Biggest scam. Okay, so for those that are interested in using pocket options, I'm a newbie. It says, my experience with pocket options was not bad. I lost money during trade due to my lack of knowledge and experience. And I recognize that I cannot blame pocket options. When I opened the account, I sent all documentation for account verification. It was all approved. When I start trading another hand, I had team invited me to trade with them. I tried to withdraw. In less than 2 hours, I received my draw, and I understood that this is the efficient platform. Please pocket options carry on with your efficiency. Okay. Somebody that actually knows how to trade. I don't know what's going on with other people. This platform is great. Cool. Okay. So we got a lot of bad reviews. I mean, this is what I'm going to tell you to use, just for a lot of people that's already skeptical. First of all, bro, learn how to trade. A lot of y'all don't even know how to trade. I obviously can tell y'all what you need to do to learn how to trade. You can use a platform. Oh, da da da, da. I'm on YouTube. I can just learn from YouTube. Cool. YouTube is not organized. Of course, you're gonna pop up. You're gonna learn from whatever guru that's on YouTube. A lot of them, they have courses where they send you signals and whatnot. Cool. That's cool. Have many people made money from it? I don't know. I can only tell you with what I made money from and the hundreds of thousands of other people have made money from. Right? The negative connotation that comes with the company that I am in, right? I am Academy is because you have rookies that don't know what they're doing at all. Has nothing to do with the platform. The platform has helped millions, hundreds of thousands of people make money. Right? It's only the people. So make sure when you're learning about this platform, right, that you're learning from people that know what they're doing, right? Learning from people that know how to get you on a go live, right? For people that don't know how to trade and help you to hop on these go live sessions, right? So we're teaching hundreds of thousands of people every single week and they're making money. Literally, you hop on their sessions, they go live on certain days and times. Now, I'll go too much more into it, and make sure you get with somebody who's going to teach you how to use the strategy. Now, what I can do, I can log into my pocket options account. I mean, I haven't had any bad experiences with it. Yeah, they manipulate the market. Every broker does that, so that's nothing new. I haven't heard a lot of people hold withdrawals, not with pocket options, but that's for people that don't know what they're doing at all. So you somebody just made money. I don't think it's gonna work on my laptop, but I can try it. I can try it. Let me got it. Cool. Log in right now and see what's going on. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, days you should not trade is Fridays. Market's absolutely trash. You gotta check the news on check the news every single day. Every morning when you get ready to trade, go to forexfactory.com, look at the news. Red folder, don't touch it. Orange folder, at your own risk. Yellow folder, do whatever you want with it. It's easy to take those trades. So that was a quick nugget for y'all. Most of y'all don't pay attention to those quick nuggets. But Sundays, don't trade. The banks trade that day, so you're gonna lose money. Fridays, don't trade. The banks trade that day, you're gonna lose money. So those are 2 days you don't trade, and you need to learn how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, you just go in there just gambling, just pressing buttons when you feel like the market is going up and down. Of course, you're gonna lose money. I don't know what's going on with all those bad reviews, but just use Nadex, to be honest. At the end of the day, I mean, I'm using it to test it out to see what it's doing. I haven't had a bad experience. I literally just funded it up probably like last week. I haven't used it in like a week, so we can see what's going on right now. I haven't made a withdrawal with pocket options as of yet, but I will be doing that to see what's going on. Probably flip my account in a day, a certain percentage, and see if they'll let me withdraw it. And if they don't, then I'll make a video on it. Yeah, it's stupid. It always does this, and it only lets me log in on my phone. Only lets me log in. It's not even a Google thing. All right, cool. One thing I can't do is log in with, because I can log in on my phone, but y'all won't be able to see it, so I won't even do it. But um, that's really pretty much it that I have to say about that, right? In terms of pocket option, when you do certain things, in terms of another thing too, do not trade OTC. This is set up for you to lose money. If you're trading stocks, OTC, I'm guaranteeing you're gonna lose money. Like that, they manipulate these all the time. So I'm assuming a lot of people are trading these, right? Like on the weekends, they manipulate the market like crazy. Never trade cryptos ever, ever, ever on binary options. It's so freaking volatile. You're guaranteed to lose. Never trade stocks. You only want to stick to currencies, bro, to be honest. Like right now, it's definitely not a good time to trade because it's OTC. Whenever it says OTC, for people that don't know, because you're freaking rookies to the game, this is when the broker is going to spike you out on certain trades, on certain entries. It could be the best entry you got. They're going to come and take your money. So that's what I'm assuming that what happened with a lot of people. Because I've seen a lot of people saying that they were losing trades because of spikes or having issues, and they probably tried to withdraw all of their money, which I just said that you can't do with pocket options. You can't do it with video forex, or you can't do it with race option. I don't know of Nadex as yet, but I'll make an account with it. Whatever I withdraw from pocket options, I'll just put it in Nadex. Minimum is $250 for Nadex. The minimum for pocket options is just $50. So I mean that's why a lot of people use it. And everybody that I've been around and the thousands of people that use it, they haven't had a problem withdrawing because you have to know how to certainly do it. Withdraw 10 to 20% a week or 10 to 20% a day when you're using pocket options, right? And you just want to stick with percentages. Trade with 2% at a time. Matter of fact, I'll make a video on that, like how to use pocket options when it comes to trading. All right, so that's really pretty much it, man. The reviews of my experience using pocket option as of right now is okay. It's all right. I'm testing it out because a lot of y'all said it's skeptical. If you're outside the US, don't use pocket option, use Nadex. And that's it, man. That's the review. Right. If you're skeptical about using pocket option, just don't use it. Use Nadex, right? if you're skeptical about anything and you're a rookie when it comes to trading, make sure you learn with a platform, bro. Like, I have all the information steps down below. Feel free to go through it or whatever and whatnot. I mean, you can go off of somebody else's experience and opinions or whatever, but I have thousands of people that are with me that are making money every single day using these platforms. So I can care less about what somebody else has to say because I see people doing it on a daily basis and we're making a lot of money, right? Don't ask me how much money I make. I'm not going to tell you, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. For today's video, pocket options review. Hopefully that helped you. And that's pretty much it. We out.